Good morning, this is Thalia, MK Founders 2.0 Conference 2025, Dubai, and we have with us a great personality, talented and very successful Mr. Florian Schnabel. He's the Chief Executive Officer for Invisio Clinical Studies Consulting, and he has been awarded as Entrepreneurial Excellence. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
To be awarded, to be recognized in the hub of CEOs from all over the world. How does it feel like?
It's great to be recognized again. So I was here in Dubai last year for the Health 2.0 conference. So I'm happy to be back for the Founders 2.0 conference this year to talk about what Invisio achieved over the last 15 years.
Okay.
And I think it's a recognition of what we did, what our team did, what we achieved together with all the trusting partners and our healthcare professionals.
How did you and why do you come across the idea of creating your company and what it stands for?
I think now we stand for a lot of trust in the market, to be a good partner for all these clinical trials, for home care visits, for nursing at the trial site.
Oh.
I came up with this idea 15 years ago. We started with a €1,000 budget, no roadmap,
Wow!
no network,
Awesome. That's really daring.
no investors, no outside money.
No investors, I know
No.
how it Yeah.
So it was an up and down ride, a little bit of a
Yeah.
roller coaster, but we built a long-lasting company.
So what services your company provides? Are those globally available or regional wise?
So we are currently supporting 27 European countries with over 600 healthcare professionals.
Wow.
From Greece to Sweden, Germany, Spain, we are available nearly everywhere. We are looking forward to expand to the US market and the Australian market over the next
Do you
years.
have Middle Eastern market as of now?
Sorry?
Middle Eastern market? Do you have like
No,
services?
we are not working in the Middle Eastern market
Yet.
for now, but yet. You're
So
right.
when you're talking about providing services, so you provide healthcare services like doctors and
Yes.
nurses and all.
Yes,
So
we-
do you guys provide it from like, do you give education to us or it's like hiring based?
No, it's a hiring business. So we have this network of over 600 nurses, doctors, healthcare professionals, and we're supporting clinical trial sites all over Europe.
When you say 15 years of experience
Yes.
and you're working about like for 20 more countries in Europe, every country might have similar rules and regulation, but everybody varies here and there a little bit. How do you deal with that? Even if it's healthcare, everybody wants to know what the basic is, but how do you deal with that little bit of conflicts?
We have a great team. we have a lot of people working on these conflicts. If you work with so many countries and also companies, you have to react like to every problem that arises on a daily basis. We are ready to react.
Yeah, okay. So what are the challenges do you feel that you face more? And as you started with zero, like with nothing, how did you overcome for the people who are just watching and want to know your journey?
I think it's discipline over motivation. So you have to wake up every day, start again.
Even when
start
you're
again.
like on a worst.
Even if you don't want to, you have to start every day.
And when you talk about the healthcare, every hospital, how do you assure the hospital that this service is being providing the credibility? I know it's 15 years, but still, are there any like lines or rules,
Yes.
regulation which are provided to them?
There are a lot of rules and
Yes.
regulations. We are happy to be ISO 9001 certified. We are
Okay.
EcoVadis certified.
Okay.
All our nurses are GCP trained, IATA trained, have basic life support. These are all the standards we have to have in clinical trials.
What
Because
are
we
the-
have to support patient safety, and that's
100%.
the main thing.
What are the health issues do you feel that's are rising up, which were not before, that the services should be provided, but as of now, the healthcare market is not thinking about to do that?
Well, that's a strong question.
Yeah, I know.
I think it's a better question maybe for a doctor or a researcher. I'm a CEO.
No, but like a service provider, you have the doctors and services, so you deal with all of them. For 20 countries, they're like a lot.
Yeah.
So you can
So-
have a little bit of the need.
So we see a lot of need in oncology, dermatology trials. This is a big market. But we are also very curious what AI is bringing to this market. AI can maybe find new cures we are not thinking about right now.
So you're pro AI.
I'm pro AI. I'm pro technical I'm pro innovation always.
How did the AI help your company to grow, and how do you see the forecast of AI being affecting all the markets, especially healthcare?
Um, we are using AI in some places like presentations, documentations, stuff like that. But I see a huge AI potential in like medical writing. So
Okay.
to write a protocol for a clinical trial, it took about 2 months. Now you can have this down to 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And this is a big part of innovation to make clinical trials even faster.
What are the future inventions or future looks like for your company? Like, what are the future milestone you have to or want to achieve?
So we want to conquer new countries. So we are expanding every day across Europe. We want to expand our network. So currently we got a new country. We conquered Serbia,
Yeah.
and we will evolve in Europe for now.
Amazing. Thank you so much. But
Thank you.
before you go, as you're providing services, how and what are you adapting from 2.0 conference and all of this conference?
It was again a great conference. I saw so many founders, so many insights. I took a lot of insights to personal branding, how to present yourself as a founder and to represent your company.
Amazing. It was a pleasure talking to you, and you're
Thank
doing
you
an
so much.
amazing job. You
Thank you.
started from scratch. I'm proud of you. I have
Thank
no
you so
idea how
much.
you did it. It takes a lot of guts, and 15 years is a long,
Yeah,
long
it's a
time.
long time.
It's my pride to take your interview. And on
Thank you.
that note, be healthy, be a little curious, dream big. Like your life is too short and too long. If you can achieve it, just you have to be really, really dedicated and passionate for your dreams. And on that note, be kind, save water, avoid using plastic. This is Thalia and signing off. Have a great day.